Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel Tech Machine. Today we're gonna fix subtitles of .mkv video files. So get into it. First is first, I'll show you what is the error. Today video of my concern is an episode of Witcher the series in Netflix. So when I open a video and load subtitles, the subtitles does not appear. Any of the languages do not get loaded. So today we're gonna fix it. So first you need a software named MKV Cleaver to extract those subtitles. Link given in description. Install the software. Load the MKV video file and extract those tracks which you need.
You could provide output directory for subtitles down below here. Or leave blank if want those subtitles in the directory of your video. That's all friends, you have now extracted subtitles of .mkv video files. Now just open those subtitles through a video player, it will be working.
So if you found helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel Tech Machine.